Okay, question number 4. The figure below shows an electron making a transition between two energy levels and the bright spectral emission line observed. So explain why electromagnetic radiation is emitted when an electron jumps from level E1 to an energy level E2. Derive an expression for the frequency f of the radiation emitted. And C. State and explain the position of the spectral line when an electromagnetic transition between energy levels E1 and E3. Okay, so A. Why the electromagnetic radiation is emitted when it's jumping from here to here? So very obvious that the energy E1 is higher. As you can see, this is go up, is higher than the E2. So E1 is higher than E2. So if I jump from E1 to E2 means I lost energy. Okay, so if I lost energy means where does the energy lost? So you must remember we are in the world that always follow the principles of conservation of energy. So first thing you talk about the electron lost energy. Okay, so the energy appears, or you can say converts, as a photon of electromagnetic radiation. Okay, now part B. Part B asks derive an expression for the frequency of the radiation emitted. So we know that E1 is larger than E2, so E1 minus E2, so it will convert into frequency, into the photon of the electromagnetic radiation. It's just simple. Okay, now, state and explain the position of the spectral line when electrons make a transition between energy levels E1 and E3. So now you can see, if I make transition from E1 to E3 means I have a greater gap. If I have a greater gap means that, go back over here, I have a greater gap. So E1 is and minus E2 is larger, so means I have a higher frequency. So I have a higher frequency. So what we can write down is the change of energy is greater, hence the frequency of the radiation is greater. So the spectral line will be right side of the line shown in the diagram. Okay, so here just now it was here, so it should be somewhere at here. This is my F new. Okay, which is a new frequency because it's new that the gap is higher, so that we will have a higher frequency.